はいどうもこんばんは、これからキャンプファイヤーをやるために火を起こしたいと思います。このガスバーナーで火をつけたいと思うんですけども、故障していてなかなか火がつきません。ほんとたまに火がつくんでトライします。とかはあんま出歩いちゃいけないよみたいな感じになってっていうのは聞いたんですけど、本当のところどうなんだろう。最近は何をしているかというと、英語で、Netflix を見てます。ブラウザをカスタマイズするプラグインみたいな形のものがあって、それをダウンロードした Google Chrome で見ると、英文と日本語対応していれば日本語和訳が対応してなかったら自動翻訳みたいにちょっとへんてこな日本語だけど直訳してくれるっていうで、わからない単語はマウスを近づけると意味がすぐ出てくるすごい便利なものがあって、最近はそれでこうもごもご言いながら映画を見てますね。最近はカリートの道っていうやつを見ました。カリートズウェイ、アルパチーノ主演のね、ちょっと面白かったですね。2時間半ぐらいの長編ですけど、ぜひ見てみてください。めちゃめちゃ面白かったです。アルパチーノの演技がすごいね。ネタバレになるからやめとくか。雰囲気というかかっこよかったですね。いただきます。
いただきます。Wow. Oh my God. Amazing tea.
パーフェクト。うまっ。フランスパンみたい。硬いパンにソーセージがあって、挟んであって、チーズがこれでもかってぐらいついてる。
Okay. Very welcome. A lot of meat inside, huh?
Mayo mustard.
Normal mayo, Dijon, and Dijon uncrushed. Two types.
So nice. Tastes so expensive Subway.
Oh yeah,
High grade Subway.
for sure. Even quarantine, still good life. Some people in jail. So boring in jail.
That's bread.
So the way the bread I do, okay, I open up, I put a little bit of butter inside the stove, then make gold a little bit. And then I put inside oven after the back part. But the top, to make gold, a little bit of butter, just
Yeah.
not too hard.
So
Can't make too hard. Yeah.
crunchy.
Crunchy but soft.
Crunchy.
You know, Yuki, this sandwich $5. This sandwich $5. Everything. It's
Right.
bread, mayo, cheese, sausage, everything. It's $5. It's cheaper than Subway.
Yeah.
But I need work. Need make, you know?
Mm.
Only $2.50 for $1.25 cheese. $1.25 cheese only. Bread 40 cents. Hold on, 45. And then sausage is I use a half pack, so $6. So $6 minus a one, $5. $2.50. That sausage is most expensive. Not good price. Usually this is supposed to be $5, $6, so half price. Right?
Wow.
Very. Yeah, it's like I don't put too much spicy, but you know what's another good thing to do? You take broccoli and cook broccoli and cut so small,
Oh, yeah.
like paste,
Mm.
and then put a little bit spicy pepper, a little bit. I know you don't like, but then oil. But don't cook broccoli too much. I need strong taste broccoli, and then make broccoli inside. And then when you eat, a little bit of broccoli inside with a little bit of lemon. Oh my god. Oh my god. I was gonna do it, but then
Maybe good
Don't space.
inside of onion.
Onion too? Yeah. Very good idea. Garlic. Probably be better. But we don't have garlic. I finished last night when I make steak. And I went to No Frills, and then coming back, garlic. So many people No Frills.
No.
Line up. All around fridge, all around back.
Wow.
I know.
Today,
Now, 1 hour ago.
special time sale.
No, everybody come back to work. Same time, go grocery, same time.
Oh.
Like robot.
Mm.
Like sheep.
Right.
My favorite, 30 minutes before close. My favorite. Fucking nobody.
Sometimes nothing.
Yeah.
It could be quarter.
Only sometimes only bread problem. When you come last, this was last bread, no more. Only one more.
Good.
Yeah. And I'm asshole. I go inside, I look at bread, I walk. Many people go towards bread, or I run. Fuck you, I have my bread.
Where?
I'm bread master. I'm allowed. Yesterday, go sleep early, but not able to sleep. Just look at ceiling. Then wake up. My Fitbit say every 15 minutes. 15 minutes like this. 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 15 minutes like that. All night. All nights, dude. Stick it back.
Hard to buy.
Yeah, look. So yesterday I sleep 5 hours, but 21 times I wake up. Every line, just wake up.
7 a.m. start.
Yesterday. Oh yeah, that was yesterday. Oh, hold on. Need load today.
My volume. I'm full.
Look, same. Yesterday, go sleep at 3, wake up 9. You see, 22 times wake up and stay up 43 minutes in my night.
Serious.
Look at this.
Two times a week.
Look at that, dude. This is how many times I wake up because my back hurts. Crazy, dude. Crazy. This is when like red is when 100% up. But I have energy. Many energy. I feel very good.
Oh.
Sweaty?
Yeah, mustache, maybe.
I put a little bit black pepper. Black pepper.
Oh.
Yeah, but I need.
Yeah.
I didn't put much though.
Yeah, I'm
Just a
okay,
little bit at the end.
I'm okay. I like black pepper. 然外出してなかったので、今日は人目の少ないところで散歩をしに来ています。はい、こっちダウンタウンですね。今はダウンタウンの北側を歩いています。寒いな。Very good. なんか言われてとっさにVery goodしか言えなかったな。こうやってウサギと遭遇します。街歩いてても。